Bitcoin or gold reserve disruption. We have these new people going to talk with the new Fed chair, USA. Are we going to change the reserve or are we going to modify because we are scared to carry around these tons and tons of metric tons of gold around? And then are we going to think about the Bitcoin and eliminate the debt that the USA government has 37 trillion, so that means that an interest rate of 5%, it would be so much and so much, and then how can we eliminate this loss of purchasing power from Americans? And this is the same with regard of the other countries. Some have started to have a little Luxembourg reserve of Bitcoin. I think it's 1 million, something like this, euros, which is really fun. You see, some had to make this decision, and those that made that decision one day costed 100 million making the decision. So anyway, this is how the European Central Bank and the Fed and these governments use this new Fed chair. Question is, how are we going to eliminate debt? Well, some countries will have pensions, that who's going to pay that? I'm going to pay your pension. No. Forget about it. Then how about new generations? Oh, well, they will pay it all with the loss of purchasing power. But the question is, how are we going to solve this debt? Well, one very intelligent way is just to buy 1 million Bitcoin. US government, 5 years, 200,000 per year. Well, this is like Titanic, you see, trying to avoid this iceberg with a canoe, you know. And are we going to stop these debt trillions that governments have? Well, let's use canoes, you know. But anyway, let's wait that America makes a decision, because others in Mars, in these other countries and planets, they make decisions. Let's just not talk about the future of our kids and our debt. Thank you. Bye.